What is WordPress? So, a quick definition of what WordPress is. WordPress is a content management system, according to Wikipedia, based on PHP and MySQL that is usually used with the MySQL or MariaDB database servers, but can also use the SQLite database engine. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system, referred to inside WordPress as themes, basically your design, look and feel, or what you can refer to as your graphical user interface or front-end design. WordPress is an open source blogging, web development tool, and application framework written in PHP. But in non-geek speak, it's probably the easiest and most powerful blogging and website content management system, or CMS, in existence today. It currently powers 41.7% of all websites online. So it's really a big deal if you are able to really master using WordPress.